Fridge magnet. I hardly think so. Hey, look, a fridge magnet. Ugh. Silly Chinese. I know what this is. I bought this for $5 on eBay, and the reason I bought it is because it was only $5, and only one seller had it for $5. Oh yeah, it's kind of lewd. I'm not sure how much I should show this. I already have two different Nanachi scrolls, like the one up above, and plus the one over near my kitchen. And I also have a PVC figure coming, and something I ordered a long time before that was that same PVC figure, but in resin. But anyway, Nanachi is a cool character, very cute, and this is a pillowcase, a zippered pillowcase of her. And yeah, that's the front. The back is a bit lewd. In case you're wondering, the character is over 18, I am pretty sure, in the anime, so yeah. Yeah, there's no nudity, really, but it is a bit lewd, and yet very still adorable and cute. And that never happened in the anime. Well, no, actually that did, just not quite like that. Yeah. Okay. Action toy figures with retail box. Perfectly honest, I have no idea what this is. Okay, whenever you order something from AliExpress or whatnot, and it says with retail box, what they mean is they have taken the box, crunched it down, and absolutely folded the fuck out of it. Oh my god. So anyway, here's Nanachi from Made in Abyss, sculpted by Tomomi Tsuchiya. And yeah, there's not much to say about it. It's a pretty generic looking box. It doesn't have a company name, does it? No, it doesn't. This is, I am almost 100% certain, a Chinese bootleg of it. And that's okay. What's weird is this came out and it was really expensive. And then I saw it pop up on resin kit sites like, you know, E2046, stuff like that. You know, where they would buy this, and then they would make a resin kit of it, and you could paint it up as you wish, and I ordered that. And it still hasn't come in yet, oddly enough. And, in fact, it's been taking so long that now bootleggers have actually been bootlegging the model already. I mean, that's weird. You would think the resin kits would follow soon, you know? Oh boy, here we go. Yeah, so when you buy things from AliExpress and it says with box, it's not protecting it really that much more than getting it loose. And you're also paying like $1 extra for the box usually. Okay, let's see how bad this bootleg is. Let's see, right off the bat, quick glances, I don't see anything glaringly wrong with it. It's actually pretty decent. I have one little tiny speck of red paint there, which probably shouldn't be there. Let's see. It gets kind of... I don't know. It's not too bad, actually. Yeah, it looks decent. Yeah, nothing's breaking off. Nothing seems to be too badly painted. There's like a little white dot of paint that I'll probably have to painstakingly get rid of without messing it up. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, that's adorable. There's really not too many depictions of this character out in 3D form like this. We have this one. There's also a Nendoroid of her, which has a bunch of extra parts and she's posable. That one's like gonna hit you $70 easy. This, a bootleg, I think it was like 15. The resin kit is around, you know, 25-ish or so once everything's said and done. And other than that, there's another statue like this where she's looking sad and she's hugging her friend Mitty. And then here's a weird one. This thing popped up on eBay just for 5 seconds, and I caught images of it. I grabbed the images of it before it went away, and it did go away. I was watching this auction. I was waiting for it to get near the end so I could snipe it. And what happened was, it just disappeared prematurely. And that sucks because, well, I don't think I would have been able to buy it anyway. It was like $200 some. It was really fucking expensive. But it was apparently a Wonderfest kit where someone took her and they had her pulling her pants down with her tail sticking out. And, you know, you could see her butt and stuff, and I thought that was adorable. And I would love to see a bootleg of that in resin form at some point. And I believe that was a resin kit as well. Now that I recall, yeah. But for the most part, this is the prime representation of her. Here you have, let's see what's the sign on the bottom, 27 ATTMAP. Yeah, anyway, you have a little bit of, it's like a 3-part, or actually 4-part base. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear plastic with some, or clear blue plastic with some frosting there for the water. Looks very nice. I dig it. My God. How much Nanachi can I have in one life? I you don't know. I've always, I've been like trying so hard not to give in and get the Nanachi Nendoroid, because it is very cool. But this is perfectly fine as well. Really, unless they bootleg Nanachi for really cheap, the Nendoroid, I'll probably never get any other Nanachi stuff again. Like, subscribe, hit the Patreon, and good day.
Nah, 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 nah.